Hello, my name is Nenad Petrović and this is Vukašin. And today we're gonna do a presentation about our best friend, Maša Jovanović.
Our best friend is Maša Jovanović. She lives in Valjevo with her mom, dad, grandmother and grandfather. She is 11 years old. She good at maths, Serbian and English. She has a pet dog and cat.
She goes to school Nenad Petrović. She has a long hair, brown eyes, and she is beautiful. Her outfit is cool. She likes to wear t-shirts, dresses, jackets, and caps. She likes going to seaside with her mom, dad, and her pet. She has been to Greece a lot of times. She is good at swimming. She likes Lingva, Serbia, dogs, maths, art, swimming, cats, dance, bikes, Avataria, Minecraft, computer games, movies, comedy movies, car, music, stars and pop.
She doesn't like mushrooms, tests, killing, football and sharks. The end.
Do you have any questions?
What is Avataria?
Avataria is one game what Maša and I play, and Maša tell me to play a game to see how is it. And when I get to it, I liked it, and now we are playing it. Any more questions?
Who is Maša's best friend?
Her best friend is Milica. Any more questions, maybe? The end.
Thank you.